Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rumbai, bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. Under heavy rain, St. Joseph Parish Church in Khubor, which had recently undergone extensive renovation, was blessed on Sunday, 5th of May. The ceremony was presided over by Bishop Ferdinand Dakar, Bishop of Jowai, accompanied by a multitude of members of the clergy and the faithful. Also present for the occasion were the parish priest, Father Sylvester Sinrem, the former superior of the Salesian province of Shillong, India, Father Paul Olincott, and the provincial economer, Father James Thirnyang. The latter were given the task of cutting the ribbon, which was followed by the solemn blessing by Bishop Dakar. The day finally ended with a lively cultural program, which showcased the rich diversity and talents of the parish community. Father Alain Baylot, rector of the Salesian presence in Kenitra, Morocco, and a number of teachers from the primary school and college stayed in Tunis from 28 April to 3rd May for an educational exchange with Salesian schools in Tunis. The theme was the preventive system at the heart of teaching in Salesian schools in the Maghreb. Sub-themes included the teaching of languages, Arabic, French, English, and sciences, mathematics, life and earth sciences, etc., and education in respect and brotherhood. Visits to Salesian schools and tourist sites enriched the visitors' stay. The Don Bosco Salesian Oratory in Tonj organized basketball, volleyball and football tournaments in honor of Saint Dominic Savio. The tournaments were held throughout the month, attracting thousands of young people to the oratory, most of them from the Salesian school and the neighborhood, who, in addition to practicing the sport, took the opportunity to get to know the figure of Saint Dominic Savio. On 2nd and 3rd of May, as a member of the Alliance for Investing in Children, the Executive Secretary of Don Bosco International DBI attended the high-level conference, European Child Guarantee, From Engagement to Reality, promoted by the Belgian Presidency of the Council of the European Union. The European Child Guarantee is a European recommendation that aims to create more equal opportunities for children at risk of poverty and vulnerability. EU member states nominated their coordinators and published national action plans to achieve the following goals. The Youth Pastoral Team of the Salesian Province of North Argentina ARN met at the Provincial House to update the Salesian Provincial Pastoral Educational Project, PEPC. The program included training provided by the Provincial Planning and Development Office, which used the theory of change to guide the PEPC update. Work continues to provide meaningful support for young people in our Salesian homes. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.